In life, we're surrounded by sound. All kinds of sound. But the people who live in parts of West Seattle say their lives are being turned upside down by one.
It will keep you awake because it's peculiar.
Some say very loud.
It gets higher and lower. It kind of goes away and comes back.
Very annoying sound.
This noise was very odd. It does have an unworldly sound to it. And
Julie Schickling tells me there really is no way to describe it. She did one better. She recorded it. The story has set the West Seattle blog on fire with reports of the sound coming in from miles in all directions.
It's kind of creepy. It creeps you out physically a little bit.
Kay Kirkpatrick tried to hunt down the source of the sound, but never found a smoking gun. Neighboring large industries say it's not them either, but something is keeping people up at night.
But we want to know. Tell us what it is.